Let's hear how the new Camry will deliver on our customers' expectations.
The Camry is one of the key pillars of Toyota's passenger car business worldwide. It's been part of our global range for 36 years, and drivers love it. More than 19 million have been sold worldwide, and it's still the world's most popular large saloon. Now, in response to increased customer demand for stylish and comfortable electrified vehicles, we are reintroducing Camry with an all-new self-charging hybrid system. The all-new Camry Hybrid benefits from two key engineering developments. First, it adopts our new self-charging hybrid powertrain, which delivers a system total output of 218 horsepower. Developed using Toyota new global architecture principles, it achieves stronger performance, improved responsiveness, quiet running, and even higher efficiency than ever before. At its heart is our new 2.5-liter dynamic force engine. It features our D4S system with both direct and indirect fuel injection and uses the Atkinson cycle to deliver a class-leading thermal efficiency of 41%. This results in fuel consumption as low as 4.2 liters per 100 kilometers and just 98 grams CO2 per kilometer. And it also gives the new Camry Hybrid a genuinely engaging and fun-to-drive experience. The second innovation that defines the new Camry Hybrid, its new GAK platform, producing a car with a commanding low and wide stance and an interior with superior front and rear roominess. With our state-of-the-art self-charging hybrid technology, sleek design, clever packaging, and great ride and handling, the Camry's appeal is stronger than ever.